No one loves you like a grandparent. No one. I know by me saying this, my mother, my father may feel a certain way about it, but you know that nothing is as special as the relationship you have with your grandma or that relationship you have with your grandfather. I am a grandma's girl. Everyone who knows me know that Megan loves her grandma. In fact, I talk to my grandma for several hours every week, and I don't care who wants to look at me as that weird girl, but I love grandparents. During this grandparent celebration though, I want you to think about how can you be there for grandma. Grandma is always showing up at your graduations, at your recitals. She's there for you when you pick that phone up, but how can you be there for them? In a situation like that, guys, make sure that your grandparents actually have an estate plan. Does your grandparent have a will? Do they have a trust? What do you have in place if they lack capacity, if they suddenly develop dementia, if they have Alzheimer's, you name it. Before they get to that road, guys, we need to have an estate plan for them. I know if they're like my grandma, oh, you're trying to kill me off, Megan? Of course not. That's not the purpose of this call. And how I framed it with my grandma was, Grandma, you know that I love you more than food. And so you know that when I'm coming to you from a place of love. And I want to make sure, Grandma, that you are protected and that you're cared for. And so we're going to set up this power of attorney that only comes into effect if you lack capacity. We're going to set up this medical power of attorney so that if you need me to, I'm going to walk alongside you to make sure that your medical care is top-notch. And that's how you bridge and approach the estate planning for your grandparents. And for many of you, this will be an easy decision. And for others, this will be a very hard and difficult decision because many of our grandparents may have trust issues. For that situation, you may want to take them to a trusted estate planning attorney. And here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we can provide that for you. We have a staff of trained, well-adjusted, well-comfortable and knowledgeable attorneys that can walk with your grandparents to an estate plan that will work for them now that they're alive and work for them when they're incapacitated and when they finally go home to glory. My name is Megan Truick, and I'm an attorney here with the Law Office of Brian Fagan, where we want to work with you and your grandparents to make sure that their rights and their interests are protected. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool, and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.